Esa kitabira Iberostar Aruba Grand Hotel ponipa habri zomer de 2024. Está aqui haya. A propriedade agora que está visível caba e está ubicada delante Eagle Beach, onde antes estava a Pova Club. Por lo menos a estrutura NoticiaCla para 35%. Um hotel de dono espanhol que escolhe Aruba como outra localidade favorito de nam portfólio. A cadena tem vários tipos de hotel e o gerente de operação de Aruba Grand, Dominic Meyer, te explica qual dinâmica é prome para abrir na Aruba outro ano.
So Iberostar has, like you were saying, different brands inside of it. It has Iberostar, Iberostar Selection, and then the Grand, which is our top brand in Iberostar, and it is oriented for only adults. That is the first hotel we're going to have in Aruba. Is going to be a Grand Hotel, so the top gear that we have.
Recientemente nace un grupo de periodistas local conocido una propiedad en México.
Our big goal right now was for you to get to know Iberostar. Since we are a new company entering Aruba, it was very important to get a feeling of who Iberostar is, what we do, and the service, the quality of service that we do give to our guests.
Un punto importante e interessante está que la cadena está conocida para un hotel tipo all-inclusive. Sin embargo, para Aruba, es aquí lo no te caso.
We won't be all-inclusive, we will have a EP package, but it's important to know that we will still have our quality that we have, that you experienced during your stay here. Our goal is to maintain the same quality, just changing the all-inclusive to EP.
Mas o ponto é que te distinguir aqui de outro detalhe que o hotel te incorporar em cada destinação, donando e assina su toque local. E pergunta está, como nanta logras aqui?
Well, really, it's a new product. It's going to be, I think, a very fresh product on Aruba with a very nice decoration that will be integrated with Aruba. And level of service, I think it's also very, very oriented to a sustainable kind of model of hotel business. Yes. So that's also one of the big aspects. The decorator that is working on the project has been to Aruba in various occasions because it's important to get to know the environment and bring in what Aruba offers inside the hotel. So like you were mentioning, we have a big influence of the fish loro, and you'll see it around the hotel. You'll also see elements of the choco owl, which is also autochthonous from the island. So it's important to really get to know the island, see what we can bring into the hotel, and be part of the decoration.
Manera Meyer está indicar a compañía está dedicar hobby tempo y energía para salvaguardar medio ambiente y enfocar en la sostenibilidad. Pero ¿qué exactamente Mr. pensa Baujisaki?
Well, Iberostar has a pioneer wave of change movement that we're doing. So that means we have three big pillars that we're working on, and that is the coastal health, the responsible consumption of fish, and circular economy. Coastal health is one of the most important ones that we have. Since we are hotels that most of our portfolio is by the beach, it's important that we take care of the environment. That means reducing our plastic use. So most of our hotels are already plastic free of one single-use plastic. And all of that movement is something that we want to bring to Aruba and open our hotel with that kind of standards.
La cadena está convencida de la importancia para estar presente arriba nos isla.
I think it's a great addition to Aruba. It's really, we're coming to work with the locals, be part of the community. That is our goal, and really bring up a new level to Aruba.
A mitad título Clay para NoticiaCla.